Hey friends, today we're heading to meet some new friends, the PG Masks. To get to know them and see what these heroes are up to in their daily lives. Let's go, friends! I can't wait to put the puzzle together. We'll start with easy level. Okay. We start from corners, and I think 1 corners, 2, no, 3, no, 3, and 4. Cool. Okay, this piece puzzle. Where is place for you? This, or this? I think so. This. It's not the right option. Okay, this. Not. It's not right. This. Yes, cool, friends. It's right place for this beach puzzle. This beach puzzle. Where is place for you? This, or this? I think so. This. Oh no. This. It's not right. I think so. This. Oh yeah, cool. Oh, I so like it. This fish puzzle. We have 2 options. Where is place for you? This or this? I think so. This. Oops, it's not right. This. Oh yeah. I so like it. Where is... Oh, corners number 4. Place for you only this. Ta-da! Oh wow! It is amazing. Cool. Now we need all these puzzles with one side with line. You see? This line, this, and this. For each puzzle. Okay, this fish puzzle. Where is place for this, or this? I don't think so. This. Oh, it's not right. This. Not. It is. This. Oh yeah. Cool. Yes, this fish puzzle. For this plate, maybe. Not. It's not the right option. This. No. Only this. Oh, cool. Oh, it is good. Yeah. This fish puzzle. This plate's for you. Or this. Or this. No, it's not. This. I think something. Yes, cool. Oh, it is amazing, friends. Now we need only 1 fish puzzle with line, and I know where is place for you. This. Oh, amazing. Look, friends. Now we need only 1 fish puzzle in center, and what these heroes are up to in their daily lives. Look.
Hey, Wolf-O-Saurus! How's this for Jigsaw? What's that?
Wow, friends, very interesting. Oh, I like it. Oh, thank you, friends. And new friends heroes is Masks. Oh, I so like it. Please, friends, subscribe and like this video, and see you soon. Bye.